With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If a body is rolling on a surface without slipping such that kinetic energy of translation is equal to kinetic energy of rotation, then it is a. So if I draw a body like this is a body and it is said that it is rolling on a surface. So let's make a surface also. This is the surface on which it is rolling. So if you see, let us say the velocity of its center of mass is v and the angular velocity is omega. So since it is rolling, so this point of contact P will have net velocity 0. So if you see this V, and because of the rotation it will be having omega r, where r is the radius of it. So the net velocity you can get, I will write this Vp is equals to V minus omega r. Right? So if you see here, we want it to be 0 because it is rolling on a fixed surface and surface is not moving, and point of contact will have the same velocity as that of the surface, and surface is having 0 velocity, right? So from here I will write V is equals to omega r. Okay. Now it is given that translational kinetic energy and rotational kinetic energy are equal. So if I write down the term like translational is equals to the rotational kinetic energy, translational here is half mv square, rotational is half I omega square, right? Omega is equals to V by R. Put it here. This. So if you see, you got this mv square is equals to I by R square V square. This V square will get cancelled out and you will get the moment of inertia of that body should be equals to mr square. So now you can check in the given option which one is having the moment of inertia mr square if mass and the radius of the body is m and r. So you can see very clearly that ring have a moment of inertia mr square. So C here will be the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.